Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a very interesting math problem, that is x plus y equal 2, xy equal 4. So what is the value of x and y? So let's start with today's video solution. So we have given two equations. So I am considering this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Now with the help of equation number 1, x plus y equal 2, I can write y is equals to 2 minus x, put in the box and consider it as equation number 3. Now xy equal 4. So if I'll put the value of y from equation number 3 here, so it becomes x times 2 minus x equal 4. So it becomes 2x minus x square equal 4, or we can rewrite minus x square plus 2x minus 4 equals 0, or x square minus 2x plus 4 equals 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, so I am going to use quadratic formula here. A is equals to 1, B is equals to minus 2 and C is equals to 4. So our quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equals to minus minus 2 plus minus under root b square is minus 2 square minus 4 times 1 times 4 by 2 times 1. So x is equals to 2 plus minus under root minus 2 square is 4 minus 16 by 2. So x is equals to 2 plus minus 4 minus 16 is minus 12 by 2. So x is equals to 2 plus minus 12. I can write it as 4 times 3 times minus 1 by 2. So x is equals to 2 plus minus root 4 times root 3 times root minus 1 by 2. So x is equals to 2 plus minus root 4 is 2 and this becomes 3 iota by 2. Now I can take 2 common from numerator. So 1 plus minus root 3 iota by 2. So it will cancel out. So x is equals to 1 plus minus root 3 iota. Now to find out the value of y, I'm taking equation number 3, that is y is equals to 2 minus x. Now we have two values of x. One is 1 plus root 3 iota and second is 1 minus root 3 iota. So when x is equals to 1 plus root 3 iota, so y is equals to 2 minus 1 plus root 3 iota. So y is equals to 2 minus 1 minus root 3 iota. Y is equals to 1 minus root 3 iota. Now y is equals to 2 minus x when x is equals to 1 plus 1 minus root 3 iota. So y is equals to 2 minus 1 minus root 3 iota. Y is equals to 2 minus 1 plus root 3 iota. So y is equals to 1 plus root 3 iota. So this is the value of y. So x is 1 plus root 3 iota. So y is 1 minus root 3 iota. And when x is 1 minus root 3 iota, y is 1 plus root 3 iota. So now let's check whether it's verified or not. Now to check this, we have our question equation is, first is x plus y equal 2, second is xy equal 4. So first I'm checking with x plus y equal 2. Now let's recall the coordinates. First case when 1 plus root 3 iota and 1 minus root 3 iota, and in second case is 1 minus root 3 iota, and this is 1 plus root 3 iota. So we can verify with any of the case. So I'm taking the first one. So where x is 1 plus root 3 iota plus 1 minus root 3 iota equal to, so yes, this will cancel out, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So yes, it's verified for equation number 1. Now to check with equation number 2. So x is 1 plus root 3 iota times 1 minus root 3 iota equal to. So here I am going to use the identity a plus b times a minus b, where a is 1 and b is root 3 iota. So it becomes a square minus b square. So 1 square minus root 3 iota square equal to 1 square is 1 minus root 3 is 3 and iota square is minus 1. So it becomes 3 times minus 1 equal to, so 1 minus minus is plus 3 equal to, sorry, this is equals to 4 here. So yes, it's verified. 1 plus 3 equal 4 and 4. Yes, so x is equals to 1 plus root 3 iota and y is equals to 1 minus root 3 iota is the correct solution for these equations. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.